Good morning, it's Milton from Ross Fab Broncos, and today we are headed up to Ross Fab Off-road in New Carlisle, Ohio. We're going up there to meet Andy. Andy's working on a set of rock sliders for me. Right now I'm on my way to go pick up my friend Aaron. Aaron was in the video where I did the tree limb risers, so he helped me mount those, and he's going to go up and take a look at Andy's shop with me, and Andy's going to basically take the rock sliders today and hold them up to the Bronco. He's going to take some measurements of where he's going to mount the rock sliders to the frame. So he still yet has to make those brackets, and I want to have Aaron go with me because Aaron off-roads Honda Talons, and he's got, you know, rock sliders on there, and he does a bunch of different things. So I think he would enjoy seeing this process for the Bronco. Stay tuned. We'll post those pictures, and we'll post some comments from Andy when we get up there. So stay tuned. All right, Aaron and I made it down to Andy's place, Ross Fab Off-road, and we're in his garage here. And I'm gonna let Andy tell us what he's done and what he's going to be doing today.
So I built these rock sliders for the Bronco today. You know, I usually stick around with Toyotas and everything, but I'm very excited to do these for the Bronco. Here's my design over here. I always include a kick out on the rear of them. Other than that, they are your standard 1 3/4 DOM tube with a square main tube. I've built several of these, and they always hold up real well.
All right, so we're going to be making some brackets for the frame, right? Mm-hmm. We've decided we're going to frame weld these.
Yeah.
And why do you recommend frame welding over bolt-on style?
Well, welding them on is definitely seems to be stronger. A lot of people do bolt them on and have great success with it. So far, I have done bolt-on ones before, but I've gotten people complain about them making noise when the truck flexes, just moving around on the frame. But I always recommend welding them on. I mean, that way you know they're not going anywhere. They're going to do the protection, and you don't have to worry about it.
Well, that's awesome. So we're going to let Andy get back to work here. He's going to be making some brackets for the frame. As you can see, he's going to be using his bender here. So we're going to let Andy get back to work. Andy, thanks for having us out to your place today, and we'll continue on with this project when we mount them. We'll shoot another video and keep everybody up to date. So thanks.
Cool. Yeah.
All right, guys, make sure you smash and hit that like button and subscribe. Make sure you share this with your friends, and tune in next time to Rust Belt Broncos as we mount these rock sliders.